You will find clear and comprehensive answers to the questions raised about Islam only on the D&D screen. This will prove to be the weapon and missile of the people of truth, one that will determine its own target. The light emanating from its screen will be seen banishing the pitch darkness of misguidance, where the defense of faith and the love of the Prophet, peace be upon him, will be discussed while sitting among the devoted. This is not just a platform associated with the luminaries of Islam. Rather, it will prove to be a true devotee of the love of God and His Messenger, peace be upon him. Although this modern era encompasses vast expanses of knowledge within itself, at the same time, however, the prevalence of false ideologies and thoughts has made the environment so polluted and foul that it is becoming increasingly difficult for the people of truth to even breathe. And elsewhere, the advocates of atheism and liberalism can be seen showering the body of Islam with their scalpels and arrows. In some places, the venomous snake of Rafidism and Kharijism is seen spreading its hood, biting the people of truth. While in other places, Judaism and Christianity are seen carrying out their vile schemes against Islam. Deviation in beliefs, misconduct, the suspension of Islam in dealings, and the mere act of confronting the system of disbelief is called D&D, that is, defense of Deen, which will infuse the environment with the fragrance of Islam's truths, which will make the flowers of sound belief bloom, which will be seen emphasizing love, upbringing, social life, Islamic trade, and character building. O servants of God, O followers of Mustafa, O lovers of the companions and the Al-Bayt, O devotees of the saints, as you walk the path of all this greatness, follow us, share, and become a part of this mission. Because this is not just our mission, but it is the mission of all of you as well.